having a struggle.
Yeah, he's
He has
afraid.
mobility issue. He's afraid.
He's
Yep,
afraid.
yep.
So many people are passing me. Can you just ask, like...
No, he needs some help. Somebody, look, these people are just laughing in the
Okay,
background.
one person came to him. See now?
Yeah,
He has a fear.
that's all right. That's right. This guy's jumping
That's
in.
okay.
Do what he
You
needs
just
to
have
do. There you go.
Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you so much for doing it.
It's nice that this guy's being so reassuring and just
Yep.
taking his time with him and helping him. You can see the guy's.
It all took one person
Just
for him
one
to
person.
step on these stairs and to believe in himself.
Yeah.
He can actually do it. It's not
You
that
know,
scary.
and it's just a small, little, simple gesture. It's not
Exactly.
like this guy had to do somersaults. He just jumped in and just helped this guy do this
Yeah.
one little thing.
This is beautiful.
That's what we all should do.